In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the same text into multiple Google Sheets cells. Whether you're working on a project with repetitive data entries or just aiming to streamline your workflow, learning how to quickly duplicate text across different cells can be incredibly handy. So let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet where you want this text inserted. Make sure to have the right spreadsheet accessible because this is where all the magic will happen. Once your Google Sheet is open, head over to the top menu bar and find Extensions. Here, you'll see an option called Power Tools, which is a great add-on that boosts the functionality of Google Sheets by offering various tools to enhance your spreadsheets. Click on Power Tools and then choose Start from the subsequent menu that appears. This will activate the Power Tools sidebar, which provides different features at your disposal. Now that Power Tools is ready to go, highlight the cells you plan to modify. Let's say you want to start with cells B2 to B4. Select these cells because these are where your changes will apply first. Next, you'll type in the desired text into the tool panel. Let's use 1954 as our example. Enter this text in the section that's labeled for adding text into the selected cells. After entering 1954, you will see several options for placement. Here, choose at the beginning to add this text to the start of each cell's content. If a cell is empty, you might want to skip it during the process, so make sure the Skip Empty Cells option is checked. Once that's done, go ahead and click Add. This will update all selected cells with the text you specified. To add a bit more complexity or structure to your data, you can insert additional characters. Let's add a dash for further demonstration. In the same field, type in a dash or another character of your choosing, and this time, under Placement Options, select After Character Number and specify 4. Click Add again. This action will ensure the dash is placed after the fourth character in the text string. Now bring your attention to a new range of cells, like A2 to A4. Highlight these and prepare to add more text. This time, enter MPP as your designated text. For placement, choose At the End to add it to the end of any text already present in these cells. Finally, ensure everything looks right and click Add to apply these changes. Once you're done, recheck your spreadsheet to see that each cell reflects the additions accurately. And there you have it. You've efficiently inserted the same text into multiple cells using Power Tools in Google Sheets. Keep practicing, and this skill will help you manage your spreadsheets much more effectively.